Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tool lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips, tricks, and tools to make your life easier. Today, we've got something special lined up for you. 10 must-have cool tools that will completely transform your DIY game. Whether you're a professional or a weekend warrior, these tools are guaranteed to make your project smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. The Crescent 180-piece professional tool set is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This set includes a newly designed 72-tooth quick-release ratchet for precise control and ease of use, even in tight spaces. With a carefully selected assortment of tools, it covers most industrial, mechanical, and consumer applications. The combination wrenches with narrow heads, adjustable wrenches, and pliers provide incredible access, making hard-to-reach spots manageable. Comfortable and efficient, the co-molded bit driver and screwdriver handles feature an ergonomic grip, reducing hand fatigue. The set includes shallow and deep 6-point full-polish chrome sockets in SAE and metric sizes, with stamped size markings for easy identification. The 6-inch adjustable wrench with a hex jaw design grips fasteners tightly, reducing slippage. Overall, the Crescent 180-piece professional tool set offers quality and versatility, making your projects easier and more efficient. Number 2. The Razor Blade Scraper is a versatile 4-inch scraper tool perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. This tool comes with 10 extra double-edged replacement metal blades and a handy storage box, ensuring you have everything you need for the job. This multi-purpose cleaning scraper is ideal for removing stickers, decals, glued characters, labels, paint, paper, and carpet glue from windows, walls, tiles, floors, and more. It also works great as a glass scraper for cleaning glass palettes, ovens, cooktops, ceramic tops, and glass stoves. With its 4-inch wide blade, this scraper covers a larger area than mini scrapers, making your cleaning tasks more efficient. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable and labor-saving use. The scraper features a locking and release mechanism for easy blade changes, allowing safe storage with the blade oriented inwards or in the razor blade box when not in use. Constructed from reinforced premium PP engineering plastic and high-carbon double-sided steel blades, this durable scraper is built to last. Number 3. The Klein Tools Adjustable Circle Hole Cutter with Dust Bowl is a must-have for anyone working with drywall and ceiling tiles. This tool allows for precise hole cutting, effortlessly creating holes from 2 to 7 inches with auto-set arms, ensuring clean and accurate results every time. One of the standout features is the easy size adjustment. Thanks to the integrated gearing mechanism, you can quickly adjust the hole size without needing extra tools, saving you valuable time on the job. For controlled cuts, the spring-loaded collar maintains pressure and keeps the mechanism perpendicular to the cutting surface, ensuring precision and stability. Cleanup is a breeze with the durable polypropylene dust bowl, which features an integrated vacuum port to contain drywall debris efficiently. This port accommodates 3 common vacuum hose sizes, providing on-the-spot debris extraction, which is perfect for finished workspaces. Built to last, the adjustable hole saw features sturdy construction and dual adjust arms for convenient and reliable size adjustments. This tool is designed to make your job easier, cleaner, and more efficient. Number 4. The Superior Tool Basin Buddy Faucet Nut Wrench is a versatile and essential tool for any plumber or DIY enthusiast. This wrench is designed to grab metal, PVC, plastic, and coupling nuts with ease, making it perfect for a variety of plumbing tasks. Its unique slots are specifically designed to grab locknut wings without breaking them off, ensuring that you can work efficiently and without damage. This universal tool fits most metal locknuts, coupling nuts, PVC locknuts, and metal and plastic toilet supply nuts, providing you with a comprehensive solution for your plumbing needs. The cutaway design allows the wrench to fit around existing supply lines, making it easy to remove coupling nuts. Once the coupling nut is removed, the cutaway fits around the faucet shank, half an inch, to remove both metal and plastic nuts effortlessly. For added convenience, the wrench can be used with a 1/4 or 3/8 inch ratchet drive, and an adapter is included. This ensures that you have the flexibility to use the tool with your existing equipment. Overall, the Superior Tool Basin Buddy Faucet Nut Wrench is a durable and practical tool that simplifies the process of working with various nuts and fittings, making plumbing tasks quicker and more efficient. Number 5. The heavy-duty ring roll bender is a versatile and efficient tool designed for bending various metal materials into round shapes without consuming electricity, making it both economical and environmentally friendly. This manual sheet metal bender features a new design with a simple yet practical structure. It's crafted from high-quality steel parts, precision cut by lathes to ensure a compact structure and high stability. The two spindles are equipped with high-quality bearings and extended rockers, making the bender labor-saving and highly efficient. Operating the metal roller bender is straightforward and easy to understand. Simply install the base on a workbench, insert the crank, place the material to be bent, adjust the bolt to apply downward pressure, and turn the handle back and forth to achieve the desired shape. This tool is user-friendly enough to be operated by both women and children. The steel bender can handle a maximum bendable solid flat steel width of 2.2 inches, 6 centimeters, and a thickness of 0.19 inches, 0.5 centimeters. It can also bend round bars with a diameter of up to 0.47 inches, 1.2 centimeters. This tool is widely used in industrial production, home decoration, fence decoration, and DIY metal modeling. Its small size and ease of mobility allow it to be conveniently moved to different work locations, enhancing its practicality and usefulness in various settings. Number 6. The Roam-Wild Multi-Digger Garden Spade is a revolutionary tool that takes digging to the next level of innovation and efficiency. Designed to make digging up to 80% easier, this spade is everything you need in one lightweight, yet incredibly strong, reinforced design. This multi-digger spade serves as a digging spade, shovel, and root cutter all in one tool. Its unique large air-light handle and fiberglass shaft provide a comfortable grip while translating digging power directly to the tip of the tool, significantly reducing digging efforts. The arrow-shaped head design with large surface footplates easily penetrates any soil or rocky ground, making light work of cutting through turf, digging into hard clay, or transplanting tough perennials. The incorporation of a root-cutting serrated edge on the side of the spade head allows for easy digging through sod and roots. The dual-grip air-light handle technology ensures easy digging and shoveling, providing more control and flexibility for different types of digging or shoveling work. The extra-large grip allows for comfortable use, even when wearing gloves, making heavy soil feel light. Overall, the Roam-Wild Multi-Digger Garden Spade offers an ultra-lightweight, comfortable, yet powerful digging experience, making it the next level in digging innovation. Number 7. The WorkPro 8-inch linesman pliers with wire cutter and stripper is a versatile and essential tool for various tasks. This multi-function plier combines fastening, clamping, winding, cutting, crimping, and stripping capabilities into one convenient tool. With its 8-inch length, this plier can be used as a wire stripper and wire cutter, making it suitable for a range of wire types including SLD 12, 14, 16, STR 14, 16, 18 wires, without damaging the wire core. Crafted from high-quality 60 V steel and subjected to overall heat treatment, this plier offers exceptional hardness, toughness, and durability. The forged blackened surface ensures stronger corrosion resistance and anti-rust properties. The high-leverage design of the plier makes cutting extremely labor-saving, while the TPR material handle grip with ergonomic non-slip design ensures safer and more comfortable use, enhancing efficiency. Specifications of the plier include an overall length of 8 inches, a handle width, when closed, of 2 inches, and a handle length of 5.5 inches. The overall hardness of the linesman pliers is 40-50 HRC, with the cutting-edge hardness ranging from 55-65 HRC. It can cut steel wire, copper wire, iron wire, and other common metals with a maximum cutting diameter of 2.3 mm steel wire. Ideal for electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and car mechanics, this durable side-cutting plier offers strong bite force and is capable of effectively fixing or loosening screws and nuts, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Number 8. The Galax Pro Impact Driver is a versatile tool designed to make drilling tasks easier and more efficient. It comes with a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery and charger for extended runtime, with an indicator to display remaining power. The variable speed trigger allows precise control over drilling speed, ranging from 0 to 2,800 RPM. Tool-less bits change is facilitated by a special chuck design, making it quick and easy to remove and insert bits. The ergonomic handle features a soft rubber grip for comfortable operation with one hand. Additionally, a belt hook attached to the base of the tool provides convenience for holding fasteners and bits while working at heights, such as on a ladder. Overall, the Galax Pro Impact Driver offers power, convenience, and ease of use for various drilling applications. Number 9. The Max Bauer Swedish pipe wrench is a versatile and efficient tool designed for various plumbing tasks. With its 90 degrees angled jaw, this wrench locks pliers at an angle, allowing for a maximum jaw opening of 1 9/16 inch, 40 millimeters, and a pipe clamping diameter of 1 inch. The overall length of the wrench is 12 inches, 300 millimeters, with a weight of 0.65 kilograms. Featuring a slim head with a 90 degrees angled slim jaw, this Swedish-type pipe wrench enables access to tight spaces and corners, making it ideal for front-end alignment, tie rods, and plumbing fittings. It is a practical option for both plumbers and homeowners. The wrench offers a range of clamping options, with the 90 degrees angled jaw suited for gripping square objects such as hex nuts. The straight jaws provide a wider opening and are effective for gripping objects with parallel forces. Adjustability is a key feature of this wrench, with the clamping width being individually adjustable using the undetachable adjusting nut. The round thread is highly resistant to mechanical damage and dirt, ensuring durability and longevity. Additionally, the wrench is equipped with self-locking teeth that grip firmly with high turning resistance, even on smooth surfaces. This eliminates the need to actively press the wrench together, providing added convenience and ease of use during plumbing tasks. Number 10. The iCrimp CRQ01 Disconnect Tong is a versatile tool designed for easy removal of brass push-to-connect fittings from pipes. This tool comes in 3 sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, with 3 teeth available in each size. Its compact design with wide grip handles allows for one-handed operation, making it quick and easy to disassemble fittings even in hard-to-reach places where leverage on the release collar may be difficult to obtain. To use the disconnect tong, simply slide it over the fitting and the pipe. Then squeeze the tong to press the fittings collar and pull the pipe from the fitting. This process is made easier in tight situations where traditional tools may struggle to reach. The disconnect tool works by depressing the release collar using the force supplied by your hand, allowing the teeth of the fitting to release and the fitting to be removed. This reduces the risk of installation errors and ensures a smooth disassembly process for brass push-to-connect fittings.